Hey dudes, do you recognize me? Just guess. Let me give you a few hints. I wake you up every morning and I am like a big light bulb over the earth. Most of the energy and light on earth comes from me. Now do you know who I am? Good, you are right. I am sun. Do I look cool in this way? I may look cool, but I'm very hot. I am like a ball of hot burning gases. I am so hot that nothing can come near me. Anything which comes near me would melt due to the heat which I produce. I am very lonely. Okay, let me tell you from where this heat and fire comes from. I am made up of 75% hydrogen gas and 25% of helium gas. At my center, hydrogen atoms collide together at great temperature and pressure and they fuse to form atoms of helium. All of my heat and energy is produced due to this. And do you know, I am so far away from Earth that my light takes 8.5 minutes to reach the Earth. And do you know many people around the world worship me? They think I am God. But let me tell you one thing, I am not alone in the sky. There are many stars and many more things in the sky. I have a family called Solar System. Let me introduce them to you. So here, let me introduce my family one by one. There are total 9 members in my family including me. Their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 members are also called planets. As I told you earlier, my family is called the Solar System. Here's a test for you. Can you tell me the names of all the planets? Yes, it is a little difficult to remember all the names. Let me tell you a trick. Just remember this sentence. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. In this sentence, the first letter of each word would give you the first letter of each planet. Here M is Mercury, V is for Venus, E is for Earth. Again, another M here stands for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and the last N for Neptune. So remember this sentence and you will be able to remember all the names of the planets. Now I will call every planet one by one and they will tell you more about themselves.
Hi everybody, I am named after the Roman messenger to the gods. Let me tell you one thing. All the planets like me keep moving around the sun, uncle, whole day and whole night. It takes me 88 days to complete one round around the sun, uncle. And let me tell you, I am the closest to sun, uncle. As I am very close, temperature at my surface is very high. There is neither air nor water on my surface. Also, I don't have any moons.
Here comes Venus. He is going to talk to you about himself.
Hello. I am surrounded by clouds. That's why few people call me Veiled Planet. Because I am covered by clouds, I reflect maximum sunlight. So I am the brightest planet amongst all. As I am close to Sun, uncle, I am the hottest among all the planets. And do you know that I am a little weird? All the planets move counterclockwise, but I move backwards, which is clockwise. People on Earth call me morning and evening star, as I can be seen in the mornings and evenings. Like Mercury, I also don't have any moons. Let me tell you one more weird fact about me. My one day is equal to almost 244 Earth days. Aha! Talking about Earth, I am also known as sister or twin planet to Earth because my shape and mass are like Earth. Okay, I'm going now. Let me call my twin sister Earth to meet you. Bye.
You know me very well. You all live on my surface. You see this blue portion on my body? These are all oceans and seas. And the green portion is land where you people live. But 70% of my surface is covered with water. My atmosphere scatters the sunlight and creates a blue effect. So I am also called Blue Planet. Like other planets, I also move around the sun. It takes me 365 days to take one round. I also keep rotating. Due to my rotation around my axis, day and night happens. Let me tell you one more fact about myself. As you know, Mercury and Venus don't have moons. But I have one moon. It is known as my satellite. Oh, I feel so tired. It is because of the smoke and pollution which you are creating on my surface. I have to rest now. But you please don't go anywhere. I am calling planet Mars to talk to you. I am also known as Red Planet as I am covered with rust like dust. I have the largest volcano of solar system. It is Olympus Mons. My name comes from Roman god of wars Mars. My size is half of the Earth, and even my gravity is half the Earth. Due to low gravity, you even can jump 3 times higher on me than Earth. If you jump 1 feet high on Earth, then on me you can jump 3 feet, as the Earth pulls you down more than me. Oh, the biggest planet of solar system is coming. I will go now. Bye.
Hi. I am the biggest planet in the solar system. Everybody is so scared of me. My size is so big that all other planets can fit in me. But I am very fast. I take only 10 hours to rotate around my axis. Very fast, right? Your Earth takes 24 hours. People also call me vacuum cleaner of the solar system as I suck all the dust and comets from the space. Do you know that I pull everything towards me with more force than Earth? It means gravity at my surface is very high as compared to Earth. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you will weigh 240 pounds on my surface. Can you see rings around me? Oh yes, I also have rings, but these rings are very faint and you can't see these from Earth even with a telescope. Now let me introduce you to a planet which has beautiful and clear rings around it.
I am the most beautiful planet due to my beautiful rings. My rings are made of ice crystals. Few other planets also have rings, but you can see my rings from Earth too. I'm not dense. I can float in water like a rubber ball due to my low density. In size, I am the second biggest planet in the solar system, but I'm also the lightest. I also have the highest number of moons. Let me tell you one very cool fact about myself. If a storm starts here, it can continue for months and many times for years. Cool, isn't it? Also, you can't stand on me. I'm full of gases. I have a lot of helium gas which you fill for flying balloons. Is it a Saturday on Earth today? Oh, I don't know, but let me tell you. Saturday name comes from me, and I was named after the Roman god of farming. I'm the slowest planet in the solar system, but I would not take much time. Let me call Uranus to introduce himself. Uranus, Uranus.
Hi, I'm Uranus. Oh, I look like I'm falling on one side. Yes, I'm like this only. Don't worry, I won't fall. Let me ask you a question. How long does a season last on your earth? 3 months? 6 months? You would be amazed to know that a season duration on my surface is for 20 years. This is due to my tilt. Like Saturn, I also have rings. These are made of dust particles. As you can understand, I am very far away from the sun. I get very less sunlight, so I am a very cold planet. My name comes from the Roman god of sky.
Hi guys, I am Neptune. I am the coldest planet as I am farthest from the sun. You can't see me from Earth by naked eyes. You need special telescopes to see me. As I am very far from the sun, my time to take a round around the sun is also the longest. Just imagine, I take 165 years to complete one round around the sun. And do you know my blue color comes from methane gas in my atmosphere? I have the strongest winds in the solar system.
So now you have met all of my family. Now you can tell about us to your family. Okay, gotta go now.